Well, ladies and gentlemen, the movement we all have been much anticipating and waiting for has finally come. Well, the moment where tradition meets modernity, a tradition, 300-year-old lineage of tree mastery craftsmanship embraces a bold and the master new expression for India's today tea journey. For centuries, Twining has been more than just a brand. It's been companion in so many conversations, comfort in quiet times, a ritual shared across homes and heart. Well, tea in India, like I said, is an emotion, and Twining has woven this beautifully with grace, purity, and I will also add an unwavering commitment towards aromas and being to the rest to this beautiful craft. At the same time, it's the moment of unveiling something special that's gonna be refreshing change when it comes to packaging, designing to elevate the consumer experience, just not on the shelf, but also online. At the same time, the experience is gonna be immensely splendid. Let's get going and let's reveal the beautiful moment right now. And I will invite all the dignitaries one by one. The man himself, the leader and the visionary behind Twinings. Can we have Mr. Stephen Twinings on the stage? Well, it's a time that we unveil a very special thing, joining by more dignitaries. Can we have Kun Pong joining us on the stage? Next is Kun Chili. Can we have you on the stage as well? I'll request you to join us this side, left-hand side. And joining us is another visionary dignitaries behind Twinings India New Journey, which is gonna be definitely incredible. Next is Sunil Kumar Saharan. Can we have you on the stage at the same time? I'll request and call upon Kun Pearl to join us today. Can we have Kun Pearl also joining us? Yes, it's a special moment for entire Twinings team. So let's make this more special. Joining us is Mohammad Gulfam Ansari. Can we have you on the stage? May I now invite Mr. Vinay Agarwal along with Sushant Arora. Can we have both of you? Next joining us on the stage is Oishi Mitra and Tabish Muhammad. Well, I will say a very creative and a very dynamic and a robust team is here. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of them? Come on. So it's a time that we unveil this absolutely incredible, the new chapter in Twining India, beautiful journey. So are we all set? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, much anticipated and a very captivating moment of the day. Here we are unveiling the new journey, new chapter in Twining India. Beautiful and magnificent journey. I'll request the dignitaries to please come forward and unveil on the countdown of 3, 2, and 1. What a special moment. And I must say, it's absolutely splendid to just watch the new fabulous modernized packaging. So it's gonna be the glory of not only the shelf, but also the experience. Also, I'll request each one of you to please come forward and take a group picture at the same time. Well, now this is a blend or an amalgamation, I will say, of elegance, tradition, and craftsmanship that we are here to witness the beautiful and a very magnificent packaging. Wow.